The air cleaner gasket seals the air filter base to the carburetor. The rubber gasket prevents dirt from entering the engine through this seam. Over time, the gasket can harden and crack. When this occurs, it should be replaced to prevent debris from entering and damaging the engine. Replacing the air cleaner gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the air filter base. With the air filter base removed, I have access to the carburetor gasket. I'll use a pick to remove it and install the new gasket. Now I'll reinstall the air filter base. Now reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's how you can install a new air cleaner gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.